Hey guys, the Bedditor Editor. I'm coming at you guys with a solo money and XP glitch in the game of Red Dead Online. And I do understand that you're looking at SpongeBob footage right now. I will explain in just a second. But before I do, please spam up the comments on this video and spam up the interactions on this video by either spamming the like button or whichever button you want to press. But yeah, in this video you're watching SpongeBob footage because I'm doing that to protect myself from copyright, strikes, because I got hit with one recently, if you guys didn't know, and if I was to continue just putting, Red Dead footage up, then I could just be hit again and again, and then my channel would be gone. So this is the reason why that has to be done. And yeah, there is a Red Dead Online solo money glitch that is in the description of this video that you can click on, and it'll take you to a different channel that'll actually show you the full tutorial guide on how to do it. And while you guys are over there, I would go ahead and drop a sub, and also run up that video too with likes and comments and stuff. But yeah, this is how things are going to have to be from now on whenever it comes to Red Dead stuff. I do apologize, but that's just how it is. I mean, this was going to happen eventually, but it happened now. I figured this was gonna happen long time ago, like months ago, whenever I was really popping, but it just happens now all of a sudden. I don't know, it really doesn't make too much sense to me, but it's whatever. I mean, that's just how life goes, man. That's just how the cookie crumbles.
It is what it is.
But that's about it for this video. If you guys like this video, then give it a like. If you dislike this video, then give it a dislike. If you guys want to see more videos like this, then go ahead and hit the sub button and you will see more. Other than all that stuff, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.